Good morning, students. I hope you have enjoyed your vacations. Now it's time to learn something new. Today we are going to do chapter 3 of your book, Digestive System. Students, we all need energy to carry out our day to day activities, and for energy, we need to eat food. You have also learned that food contains various nutrients. Those nutrients break down in our body, and our body use that nutrients to get energy to remain healthy. So what is digestion actually? Digestion is breaking down of food into smaller pieces and in simpler forms to release nutrients. And after that, nutrients are used by our body. In our body, the process of digestion involves various organs. All these organs combined together and work together for the process of digestion, and they form a system. The organs which are involved in the process of digestion are mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. In the process of digestion, various processes are involved, such as biting, chewing, squeezing, and squashing. So, food which you have eaten is bitten, chewed, squeezed, and squashed, and it dissolved in the various juices released by your body so that food can be digested easily. Now you are going to learn digestive system thoroughly, but before that I want to introduce a new term to you, which is gland. Glands are organs which release some liquid in the body, and those liquids have some specific function to perform in the body. So glands are organs which secrete a liquid. Now, digestive system. The first organ of digestive system is mouth. The very first step in the process of digestion is you take the food into your mouth. In chapter 2, you have learned that teeth help in the chewing of food. So food is chewed in the mouth and it is broken down into smaller pieces. Apart from that, you can notice a liquid present in your mouth. That liquid is known as saliva. So now from where that saliva comes? That saliva is released by a type of gland which are present inside your mouth. Those glands are known as salivary glands. Now what is the function of saliva? Saliva makes the food wet and soft, which makes it easier to swallow. Moreover, saliva also contains a type of enzymes. Enzymes are chemicals. They are chemicals which are present inside the saliva. There are various enzymes in our body. So few enzymes are present in saliva also. They also help in the digestion. So saliva makes the food wet, soft, and easy to swallow. Apart from saliva, tongue is also present in your mouth. Tongue helps us to taste the food. Also, it mixes the food and roll the food from one side to another, so it becomes easy for you to chew the food. You can also perform an activity which proves that the digestion starts in mouth. Take a piece of bread and chew it for some times. Although the bread is tasteless, it is neither salty nor it is sweet, but after chewing for some times you will feel sweetness in your mouth. That sweetness is because of sugar present in bread. Sugar is rich in starch, which is a form of carbohydrates, but enzymes present in saliva break that starch into sugar, and that sugar causes sweetness in the bread. From mouth, food reaches stomach through food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. It runs along your neck. Now your food reaches stomach. In stomach, churning takes place. Churning is the process of shaking. By churning, food gets mixed with digestive juices which are released in the stomach by stomach walls. These digestive juices also contain enzymes, the chemicals which digest another substances present in the food. Apart from these juices contain strong acids which helps in the digestion, and they also kill the germs which we swallow with the food. From stomach, food reaches small intestine. Small intestine is a long tube-like organ which is highly coiled and curved. In small intestine, complete digestion of food takes place. It receives juices from liver and pancreas. I told you about the glands. Liver is the largest gland in our body and it secretes bile juice. The secretion, the liquid which it releases, is known as bile juice. Bile juice helps in the digestion of fats present in the food. Another gland which gives its juice in the small intestine is pancreas. So, in the small intestine, as I told you, complete digestion of food takes place. All the nutrients get released from the food and they are released into the bloodstream. Blood takes those nutrients to various organs of the body for the utilization of nutrients. Only water and some salts are left in the food now. From small intestine, food goes to large intestine. Large intestine is also a tube-like organ and it surrounds the small intestine. The water and salts which are left to digest in the small intestine, they are absorbed from the large intestine, and now only the waste material is left which has no nutrient value in it. It is known as feces. This fecal matter is removed from the body through anus, another organ of the digestive system. Next, you are going to learn why we need to cook food. We cannot eat raw food all the time because it is highly rich in fibers and these are not digested by our body. So we cook food to make it tasty, soft, easy to swallow so that it can be digested by our body easily. Moreover, whenever the food is cooked, it is heated and heating kills the germs present in the food so that food is made safe for the eating. But food should not be overcooked and it should not be heated time and again because it may destroy the nutrients present in it which are useful for our body.